The following snippets show you a typical sort of trade that we do, that I initiate in our trading room. So the first part of the video is when I started executing the positions. I think that was an add-in at that point because I often split my trades into smaller increments, enabling me to get various different entries. And then I summarized the video further on. So to start off with, why actually we started entering the euro on this day here back in January. This was it was an inflation day out of the US, CPI inflation. So we had the inflation came out weaker, and so we saw the euro pushing up. I think what was really important at this point to note is that the overall market sentiment was actually going in the opposite direction. So most retail traders were short, so I want to be doing the opposite of what they're doing, and the main market sentiment was looking for the dollar to strengthen. And then we had that report out, so that gave us our excuse to establish a long, and we ended up exiting up here around the 110 area, just above 110 in the final exits, at least anyway. So anyway, so that was the trade. If you want to go and continue watching, you'll see the other snippets here showing the execution and the summary of it. Now, I think I've said enough. Have a little watch. Okay, I'm not hanging around. I'm just going to put it in. Let's get a ticket up. If I can get a ticket up. In long. Let's get the stop sorted. 107. I'm going to sneeze. Hold on. $107.66. Right. I'm just going to quickly put this onto the app. My entry was at 37, so I'm just going to put that in. Okay, the euro trade that we took back here on the 12th of January has now, we've been in this trade for the last, 2.5 weeks or more, and it's finally here on Fed Day hit the first target. So the P&Ls here are for I'm in a couple of other trades here that were already taken on the in a different room session, but the P&Ls here now for still got some positions left on the euro, but these are the current P&Ls that they're from that trade that was taken a couple of weeks ago. Simultaneously, another trade that was taken in the room, but it was taken a bit before. I think it was like the day or two before, was on the 11th of Jan, maybe the 10th as well, on the S&P, and the S&P's just gone up, and that's why that P&L's there as well. So there's a lot just gone on there, just following up from the trade that was taken in the room. It's a typical sort of trade that's taken, and it just takes patience to see these through, because that was actually quite choppy through all of this, and then the volatility picks up, and then your patience is rewarded.